May video na kami. Hello. Ayan, dito na kami sa airplane para sumakay na. Ate, kaway-kaway lang dyan. Lesson.
Baka late na tayo. Baka sakay.
Hello.
Baka sakay na rin.
Ayan. Ayan, dito na kami. Pegos na kami. First time. Angin. First time. Sapa. Angin. Kaya papasok na kami.
Right kayo. Left kami, right kayo.
Yan. Morning. Medyo busy. Angin.
Hello, good morning everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen with you. This is 5J457 bound for Iloilo. Only guests for this flight to Iloilo must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. May request all guests to please stow your hand-carried baggage under the seat in front of you or in the stowage bins above you. Should you need assistance, please do not hesitate to call on the attention of any of your cabin crew. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific, lipad bilang 457 patungong Iloilo. Kung hindi ito ang inyong tamang lipad, maaari po lamang natawagin ng pansin ng inyong mga cabin crew. Mangyari po lamang na ilagay ang inyong daladalahan sa unang kompartamento sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo. Kung kailangan ninyo ang aming tulong, huwag po kayo mag-atubilin, kami ay tawagin. If you are seated by the emergency exits, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of an emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you. Sa mga panahon nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card kung sa inyong palagayan hindi magkakapanan ang mga panuntunan ng exit row at bigay alam sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito. We
Pangat yung bag mo, lagay na
request
sa
everyone to safeguard all those items, especially hard objects such as plants, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bin. In line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bins to prevent items from falling off. Ay nakikiusapan po lamang namin ang lahat na ilagay sa loob ng inyong mga dala-dalaman ang anumang bagay na maaaring makulang tulad ng plastic, tumblers, and electronic devices bago ilagay sa ulo ng compartment.
Ayan tayo.